needy, the rich man, the great, the hurting, the weary, the burdened with shame. So many stories and so many lives gaining a hope in His sacrifice. It took the same cross, the same blood, the same price to pay for the sins of the world. For no matter how great the wages of man, He looked at each one the same, with one cross for all. The lonely, the broken, the empty, forsaken, the strong and the mighty King, the lowest of men, Christ came to earth to seek and to save. For at the cross every man comes to save. It took the same cross, the same blood, the same price to pay for the sins of the world. For no matter how great the wages of man, He looked at each one the same, with one cross for all. It took the same cross, the same blood, the same price to pay for the sins of the world. Sins of the world. It took the same cross, the same blood, the same price to pay for the sins of the world. For no matter how great the wages of man, He looked at each one the same, with one cross for all.